Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Forge server. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. First of all, we're going to download the Minecraft Forge. So you're going to just search for download Minecraft Forge. And this is going to be the CurseForge, which is going to be downloaded. You're going to search for the Minecraft version that you would wish to download. And then from here, click on the installer. Once you click on the installer, then it's going to wait right here. Going to wait for it for a few seconds. So as you can see on the top right, you can just skip for the 11 seconds, and it's going to make a timer. Once that is it, just click on skip, and then from here you can download the installer. You can just make a new folder if you would like for Forge, and then from here just go for it and then save it. Once you save it, then it's going to download the installer right here. Now I have the file, and now from here going to have the Forge installer. Double click on it. And then from here, once it launches, you're going to make sure to install the client. So we're going to click on OK. Once the client is downloaded, you're going to make sure that you also have the latest Java tools. So just search for Java download. Once you search for Java download, then you're going to click on download Java right here, which is going to bring you to this website. Now from here, once you find the Java vectors, just search for it. So Windows Offline, 64-bit, for example. And then from here, going to download Java. And also, once you also download Java, you're going to download for the Java SDK. So you're going to find it right here where you can find the Java SDK. And so you're going to download the best version for your computer. Once that is done, from here, you're going to just open Forge again. Go to the same installer and then install server. Now it's going to show this red box. Make sure to open it right here. Then go to the same folder where we have just downloaded it. So for example, Forge. And then you can then make a new folder and call it server. Then you're going to click on open and then going to click OK. And now it's downloading the Minecraft server for Java on the Forge. Now let it load and download all the resources that it needs. Once that is done, then from here we're going to go to our desktop, and then we're going to go to the file where Forge is and to the server, and now we have this. Now, we want to make sure that the mods that we have installed on our normal Forge is the same as on the server, because the mods that you have locally downloaded needs to be the same as on the server, and everyone that is joining the server needs to do the same thing. So from here we can just go to Forge, or you can go to your Minecraft launcher. Then from here we can go to installations, and whatever you have Forge, you can just click on the folder where it says install. And as you can see right here, there's a mod that's called folder that's called mods. And I have two mods right here. So we're going to just right click, copy this, and then go to the other folder where the server is, and then paste it right here. And then you're going to search for the Windows batch file, and just going to double run it. Now it's going to try to run, but then it's going to fail. So just click continue. It's going to spawn a new text file. So from here, going to open it. And then from here, you're going to just turn the false to true. Then you're going to click on save. Once you have that done, then you're going to run it again. And now it's actually going to run the server. And now from here, it's going to load the actual server with all the server outputs of it. And as you can see, now we have a running server that we can actually join, and it's running locally on the computer. So from here, once it's done, then you can have your actual server IP. And so once you launch Minecraft, then you can actually play on the Forge, and then you can use that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.